Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another episode on our YouTube channel Rescoli by Carlo. And today is going to be quite the experiment. Why? Because we have some veneer to remove from a drawer and we didn't know how to go about it mainly. So we searched online, we saw a lot of ideas and we're trying this experiment. So let me show you the drawer. It's this one. It's an old piece of furniture, but we have actually quite some veneer going off, and so we decided to remove all the veneer here, sand properly, and then paint, because obviously this piece of furniture is going to be repainted, and at the end of the episode we'll show you some of the work that we've done. But today it is about the experiment. So we tried these parts here were quite easy to remove because the glue underneath was completely gone, but the experiment that we're going to do is using hot water and leaving it for a couple of hours and see what happens. So I managed to remove just these. I can use more tools to remove quite a bit more of this, but we need to have a completely flat surface. So let's go with the experiment. What do we have here? We have a bucket with some hot water in it, as instructed by some of the instructions that we got online mainly, and we have the drawer which is here, and it simply says that you put a piece of cloth which is quite hot, you just put it on the veneer, and we're trying our best to do this and what we added with the water is mainly, ouch, burns. What we did was we added some sugar soap with the hot water. So the instruction tells us to leave this for a couple of hours. We are now at the stage of analyzing if this experiment succeeded. So the process was what we did was we put some hot water with sugar soap. We wet a couple of cloths and we let the cloths on the drawer for a couple of hours. Most probably it was 2 hours. But I think that we should have left the cloths a little bit longer. Also, the process was telling us to iron on the cloth directly to remove the pieces that we had to remove. But we mainly succeeded in doing this. We had to iron parts of it more than others because the glue was still intact. So the heat from the iron helped to remove everything. And what we did was actually we sanded it a bit after removing the extra parts. We sanded it just lightly because the glue was still on parts of it, and we gave some wooden stock on the surface. And now we're letting it dry so that we can sand properly and start the renovation process on this table. So mainly that is our episode for today. It was an experiment and I think it succeeded. So mainly we are happy with the result. We managed to do it. You need a little bit of patience so that the effect happens. So longer waiting times and better results. Until we meet next time. Ta-ta!